Members of the Ghana Traditional Council have met with some leaders of the New Patriotic Party (NPP) and the National Democratic Congress (NDC) from the Odododiodoo constituency to discuss and find lasting solutions to the recurring violence in the constituency. Speaking on behalf of the council, Nii Otinto II, Simpe and Mankralo of the Ghana state said though the various chiefs had the power to issue directives that could curb the violence, it will affect both parties negatively. Hence, the call for a peaceful dialogue. He quizzed both parties for solutions.
Amameji driver senu ni abejigbe ke nyeke shikono ajo ibadu ke nyeke shikono akajo shikono ejo they support themselves nye ya mefa wo fe wale ni bi ya wo ko do English si wo ba pa fai ake ni ani shikono ya ke imo ke le aka kaya mo NDC bo mi se NDC o ba meta sabati na ka lo ka amo MPP ba no ko MPP e ba ti because of support the ke ha me ke no nye ka me mfiri di ko me amejense wo ma papa ni chu what today e ba je bi de ka ba ye ya ni ku ba ba wo ba papa MP e ko ye so next week, if possible, is
both Pastor Otojo and Nii Banaman, who led their political parties, took time to explain their ordeals and pledged to keep the peace of the constituency come December 7th, 2020.
What designator me na me ya am respective locations na me afa you be na check you say what all law me ke ya ikoku wo me yen ni mi kwani am edumoshi in there one railway station ni mi che ni police say abaje ja ke ba ko ke edumoshi e PPB mi ni edumoshi na am jagba am jini jugba Intale de leka je nke sana wana am chere mi olu ko so for a chere Intale adnan to that machine me play
2016 NPP me nye were not more than 30 cases at Jamestown police station the train at them at the point when you need really this one years ya get sana ye jail at the point he let the people they go Batakari ni le dey je pump action ground the night before they attacked me. And it is on record. They don't this one do mamale. So what they need to watch they cause of delay. So they do machine e ke anukole afi. Because can on male perform kono be be do me the flat she ani je e ko le tell me tell bana man fu e dey na ka chose wo. Ade ba chose ni no on fe ni bi keke. The flat need machine 2015 ni ba I recruit komukudan. Ika komukwa ke ya yi me da no ni ye shegbe. Da na ka bi wo. Aka shi kwen no duba. Shi shegbe wo mu ke me wo e.
The meeting, which was later adjourned for Monday, 5th October 2020, will allow Honorable Okovan Dapwe to be present in order for the council to arrive at their final decision. Ruby News will follow up on the progress of the meeting and bring you the full report next week. Naa Korkoi Mensah, reporting for Ruby News, Accra.